Peel an egg in 2 seconds? Life hack busted. Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my kitchen again, corporate chef of BC Egg. You know what? There's another hack out there for peeling eggs, and supposedly you can peel an egg in 2 seconds. What I recommend instead is clicking on bcegg.com and clicking the Eggs 101 link, and you will see my video there on how to properly peel a hard-boiled egg. Really quickly, and I give you some great tips. But there's this hack out there that tells you can peel an egg in 2 seconds with a glass and a little bit of water, so like an inch of water. And you're supposed to put the hard-boiled egg in there and shake it. And I've tried this, it doesn't work very well. I've had more failures than I've had successes. Don't get me wrong, it does work the odd time, but you have to have the perfect glass, I think, the perfect hand placement, the perfect movement in order for this to work. So I don't know why people would bother. Anyway, through my failures, what I found is it works better if you crack it a little bit first. But let me show you this, okay? So here's some hard-boiled eggs, and I like to do a jar instead of a glass because you have a lid that you can seal on it. You're not going to spill a bunch of water when you're shaking it, and just keeps everything contained a little bit better. So I'm going to take a hard-boiled egg. This has not been cracked or anything, just hard-boiled. Put it in there with an inch of water. Put the lid on there and shake it. And something's happening, but it's not peeling off in one big peel like they say. I'll shake it a bit more. Still not. Okay, there it has. I mean, that was a good, 7 to 10 seconds of vigorously shaking it. And now I'm gonna try and get it out of the jar without getting water everywhere. And come on now. I have an egg and I have the peel in there. It's not in one piece by any means, but it's peeled, okay? So I'll give it that much. Let's try this again, but I'm gonna crack it first. Let me get rid of this mess and I'll come right back. Okay, I have another inch of water. I got rid of all the eggshell. Let's take another egg, and what I do instead, which seems to help, is I just crack it a little bit all over, roll it on the countertop a bit, and then place it in the water. Take your jar, and then shake. And look at that, it's a bit faster. I've had more success doing it that way. You still have to struggle to get it out of the jar. I mean, I could just dump it into a dish or something, but there's the egg, there's the peel, more in one piece. So if you are gonna do this, then the best suggestion I can make is crack it a bit first all over before placing it in there and then shake. But again, the best thing to do is check out bcegg.com, look for my video on how to peel a hard-boiled egg, and you don't need to worry about any of this stuff. Thanks for watching. Always remember, every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get, and 1 large egg, it's only 80 calories. And this is Chef Des signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?